Finding the specific density of the liquid by using YouTube. The aim of the practical is finding the specific density of the liquid by using YouTube. The apparatus needed are water, coconut oil, YouTube, stand, and meter rod. Let's see the procedures. Water was poured into the U-tube by using the funnel through one arm. Then coconut oil was poured through the other arm. After that, the height of the coconut oil was measured from the common level of water. Then different lengths were get by adding coconut oil dropwisely through the arm which containing coconut oil. Then the graph was plotted. The conclusion is the density of the coconut oil was known. Discussion. First, we want to pour the high density liquid. Then, we want to pour the low density liquid dropwisely.